A student, while calculating the correlation coefficient for two variables, he obtained the following data. Number of observations is 25. Sigma xi, total of x observations is 125. Sum of the squared observations of x is 650. Sum of y observations is 100 and y square sigma xi. These are the data he calculated for 25 observations. But later on it was discovered that two observations out of x will be given 25 observations. Now out of those 25, later he was discovered the pairs were mistaken. These were taken instead of these. Means x actual observation is 6, but actual observation is 8, but he took that as 6. And the corresponding y observation is 12 and he took that as 4. And similarly actual observation is 6 and 8, he considered 8, and similarly 8 he considered 6. Means with mistaken observations he got these values and he calculated r for that. Now the problem is, if you need to rectify these values and you need to calculate r, we don't know the remaining out of 25, 2 are given, those 23 are unknown to us. Now what you need to do is, you cannot consider all the 25 observations. So what is the formula for r? R of xy is covariance of x comma y by sigma x into sigma y. What is covariance of x comma y? Here, as you have the numerical observations, we are going to consider the formula in terms of expectations, that is 1 by n sigma xi yi minus x bar y bar, and sigma x square is 1. These are the formulas for variance and covariances in terms of the summations. Now these are the values, but these are for all the 25 observations, where these are the mistaken observations, these are the correct observations. Now you are going to calculate, means these are wrong sums. You need to calculate correct sum. Correct sum is equal to wrong sum minus mistaken. You need to take out the mistaken totals and you need to add the correct observations. Got it, girls? For 25 observations, he calculated for all the 25 observations, they calculated totals with some mistaken observations. You cannot consider these for calculating r of xy, as these are the mistaken, these are the correct observations. To use this, you cannot use these totals directly. First you need to, by treating these are the wrong totals, you need to calculate the correct totals. So you need sigma xi square, sigma yi square. For x bar y bar you need sigma x. So let us see how to calculate sigma xi is nothing but wrong sigma xi minus, what are the mistaken observations here? These are mistaken, am I right? These are the actual observations. So you need to sigma mistaken values means, what are the x mistaken values? 6 is one value plus 8, and you need to add from this total, take out the mistaken values and add the total values, which is nothing but 8 plus 6. I think 6 plus 8 is 14, 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 14 minus 14 cancels. Wrong xi is nothing but given value, which is nothing but 125. So this total you are going to use while calculating x bar. Similarly, we are going to calculate sigma yi. Correct sigma yi. Corrected sigma yi is equal to wrong sigma yi minus mistaken values. You need to add the correct values. What is given wrong sigma xi? Wrong sigma xi is nothing but 100. You need to take out the mistaken. What are the mistaken observations? 4 plus 6. What are the correct observations on y? 12 plus 8, which is nothing but 110. This is nothing but corrected total on sigma y. Similarly, what is the corrected total on sigma xi square is nothing but wrong sigma xi square, okay, You need to take the mistaken as it is square. What are the mistaken values there? 6, 8 are the mistaken values on 6 x. So you need to square as it is 6 square plus 8 square. Plus again the correct observations are 8 square plus 6 square. I think these two cancels. You'll get this as again it is sigma xi square given as 650. So corrected sigma xi square is. Similarly, what is corrected sigma yi square? Corrected sigma yi square is equal to wrong sigma yi square minus square of the observer. What are the mistaken y observations? 6 square plus y square. Okay, minus plus you need to add the correct observations 12 square plus 8 square, which you will get this as 460 minus 52 plus 208, which is nothing but 616. Similarly, corrected sigma xi yi is equal to wrong sigma xi yi minus mistaken sigma xi yi plus correct sigma xi yi, which you will get as 5018 minus 6 into 4 plus 8 into 6 plus 8 into 12 plus 6 into 8. This entire total is 580. Means you got all the totals. Let us write all then. So how much you got? Correct sigma xi is equal to 125. Correct sigma yi is equal to 110. Sigma xi square is equal to 650. Sigma yi square is equal to 616. Sigma xi yi is equal to 580. Now what is the formula for covariance of x comma y? Is 1 by n sigma xi yi minus x bar y bar, which is nothing but 1 by 25 into 580 minus x bar formula is sigma xi by n into 110 by 25, which is nothing but you calculate, you will get as 1.2. What is variance of x formula? 1 by n sigma xi square minus x bar square. This is 1 by 25 into 650 minus 125 by 25 whole square, which you will get as 1. Okay, similarly you calculate one variance of y, which is nothing but 1 by n sigma yi square minus y bar square, which is 1 by 25. Sigma yi square is 616 minus 110 by 25 whole square, 5.28. R is nothing but covariance, you got 1.2, root 1 into root 5.28, which is nothing but 0.522. I'll give you one more problem on this for homework. Okay, thank you.